Welcome to another weekly giveaway, crafters. We have a fantastic giveaway from Mary MacBean this week. But first, I'd love to show you this lovely card sent in by Cynthia Massey. This amazing creation is called Watering the Tomato Decoupage. The cup number for the main sheet is cup 958942_3367. This also has a matching insert, which is cup 958943_3367. There you go. It's got two little parts and it adds to the card absolutely brilliantly. The card features a keen gardener watering his tomato plants. It has lots of layers for decoration on the decoupage, and it, as I've mentioned, it has a matching insert as well that's sold separately. Yet again, Cynthia has embellished this card to perfection. It has a mini gardening tool there you go, and there, can you see? They're fabulous. A key for the shed. And look at the realistic water coming out of the watering can, spilling over the plant pot. Can you see there? I just think that is amazing. My favourite parts are always very subtle ones. There's a little birdie right there, look, can you see? And a little butterfly there just on the spade, look. I just think they're brilliant. Well, I hope you like that card that Cynthia has sent in. Now on to this week's freebie. This one is by Mary MacBean and the cup number is cup 548779_1648. The kit contains 3 craft sheets. Let me show you there, look, 1, 2 and 3. This design, it's beautiful. It's a gift basket shaped card with champagne and roses. The kit has 3 sheets, which include the card front, the card back, decoupage, sentiment tags and a card stand. There are 6 sentiment tags, including a blank one, so you can place your own message on there. There is a writing panel on the card on the back. The card stands by itself. There you go, look, just to show you. It folds flat for posting. It fits into a 7-inch square envelope, so you can post it through the post. I just love these glitter fabric butterflies. If I just move it a little bit to the side there, you can see them, look. There's 2 of them on this card. Just one there, look. Oops, one there and then one there. This card has also added cut ferns in the contrasting colour, and it's just finished off the card with a card cord handle and a matching bow. Can you see there? It just looks brilliant. Can I just show you from the side some of the layers? There's 5. I don't know if you can just see there, look, can you see? To add real depth to the card. I just think it looks brilliant, really good. I think this card would be great for any autumn birthday. I mean, any birthday, but an autumn one. Let me hand you over to our lovely Mary, who will show you how to make this card. Over to you, Mary.
Hi there, my name's Mary MacBean and I'm a designer with Craftsuprint. Today, what I want to show you is my new gift basket cards. There are several designs in it, but I'll just be showing you one today. They are a gift basket with lots of decoupage, and on the back there's a little stand to hold it up and a writing plate. Okay, so the one I want to make today is this one. It's Champagne and Roses basket. And the cup number is 548779_1648. Okay, so in the kit what you'll get is 3 sheets which have everything you need in them. That's the card front and some of the decoupage, the back and some more decoupage, stand and some sentiments. Okay, now I've already cut out the pieces, so I've got everything here that we need to make the card. Right, first of all what I'll do is score the stand piece. It's probably a good idea if you do this before, just the scoring before you cut it out, that way, because you'll find there are lines on the page that you can follow, but I know where the lines are, so I'm just going to do it. And last one. Okay, so that's it scored. Now we fold it. The top one is a mountain fold. And the bottom one, just use a bone folder to make a nice sharp piece in it. The middle one is a valley fold, and then the final one is another mountain fold. So that makes the little stand for the card. The next stage is to join the back and the front of the card. So I normally use a wet glue to do this because it's an irregular shape and it's easy to manipulate it a wee bit once it's put together. If you prefer, you can use a double-sided sticky tape on it. And it's just back to back like that, like so. Just line up the edges. Trying to get it so there's no white showing either way. If you have a wee bit of white showing, it's simple just to trim it off. Okay, now to join the stand onto the back of the card, so that it's going to stand up. It's best to do it at this stage before you put the decoupage on. Just a wee bit double-sided tape, I find it's the easiest thing to use for this. It's best to join the bottom one first so you've got it lined up. And then with that flat, join the top tab. There we go. That's how the card stands up. Okay, so the next stage is the decoupage. I've used sticky back tape, double-sided sticky back tape for this, the thick foam tape, but you could use silicone glue instead if you prefer. So it's just a case of starting off with the biggest piece and working up towards the smallest. Now try to get your edges even and match the pattern below. That's that one. The next one. if you've got any dexterity problems, or even if you want to save time or anything, you don't have to cut every little nick and everything on decoupage. If you just cut out the general shape, keep it pretty much the shape of the main part, it works out perfectly fine that way. So I'm just building up here to each bit smaller than the one before it. Now with the smaller pieces, I tend to give them a wee bit of shaping. I just put them in the palm of my hand and go over it with the bone folder or any tool, just to give it a wee bit extra dimension. There. These two are the same. One bit goes on over there, and one bit goes to this side. There we go. Right, so once you've built up all the decoupage, it's just a case of putting it onto the front of the card, making sure your pattern matches up, like so. So you have to lift up a bit on, and that's it. That's got lots of depth to it. Now, the only other thing to do is to put a sentiment on it. I'm going to put it especially for you, so it's a special one for you. Put it on at an angle, make it pretty, and there we go. So that's that. Champagne and Roses basket card. Thank you very much for watching. To see this or any of my other cards, go to www.craftsuprint.com/Mary-MacBean/. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you for that, Mary. Your tutorial was very helpful indeed, and thank you again to Cynthia for sending in your Watering the Tomatoes card. Okay, crafters, that's all we have time for this week, but please tune in next week for yet more freebies. And remember, sharing is caring, and it is really important that you share this week's freebie so we can continue giving away more and more in the future. See you next time. Bye, crafters. Bye.